Students, welcome to Excel Tuitions. In this video, we will solve Social Science Model Question Paper for Summative Evaluation second for the year 2025-26. Timing is 120 minutes, that means 2 hours, 50 marks question paper. Now we'll see the general instructions. First, all questions are compulsory. Second, only answers are required to be written for all questions. Third, marking on the map will have to be done in pencil only. Fourth, the question paper contains 20 mark MCQ type and 30 mark subjective type questions. So let us start to solve the paper. Before that, if you like the content of Excel Tuition Goa board, then kindly share it with your friends. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. And I request you to watch full video. Don't skip the video as some important tips and additional questions are added in between the video. So let us start. Choose and write the most correct and alternative from the provided below each statement. 1 mark each, 20 MCQs. First, which of the following is the smallest continent? Options are A. Australia, B. Europe, C. Antarctica, D. None of the above. And the correct option is option A. Australia. Question number 2. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the dash. Options are A. Governor, B. Sarpanch, C. Mayor, and D. None of the above. And the correct option is B. Sarpanch. Question number 3. What does the advanced drainage system of Harappan show? Options are they wasted water, B. They lived in a jungle, C. They care about cleanliness, and D. None of the above. And the correct option is they care about cleanliness. Question number 4. Which one is not a job of the municipal corporation? A. To keep streets and market clean. B. To build garden and maintains. C. To build hotels for the tourist. And D. None of the above. And the correct option is to build gardens and maintain. Question number 5. A doctor providing treatment is a part of a dash sector. Options are A. Primary, B. Secondary, C. Tertiary, D. None of the above. And the correct option is option C. Tertiary. Question number 6. The presence of dockyards at Lothal shows that Harappans were dash. Options are A. Hunters, B. Sea traders, C. Mountain climbers, and D. None of the above. And the correct option is option B. Sea traders. Why is it important to respect street vendors? Options are A. They are rich, B. They provide daily use goods, C. They made city dirty, D. None of the above. And the correct option among these is option B. They provide daily use goods. Question number 8. What does the term continent mean? Options are A. Small island, B. A river, C. A huge ocean, and D. None of the above. And the correct option among these is none of the above. Question number 9. Which factors best explain why Antarctica has very little human settlements? Options are A. It has many rivers, B. It has harsh and cold climate, C. Close to the equator, and D. None of the above. And the correct option among these is option B. It has a harsh and cold climate. Question number 10. Your friend throws plastic on the street for the fun during a trip to a hill station. What should you do? Options are A. Join him, B. Stay silent, C. Tell him not to throw plastic, D. None of the above. And the correct option among these is tell him not to throw plastic. Question number 11. What materials were the Harappan seals generally made of? Options are A. Gold, B. Clay, C. Streetite, and D. None of the above. And the correct option is option C. Streetite. 12. The ward councillor important in solving local problem because dash. A. They run the parliament. B. They know the local issues better than others. C. They only collect taxes. D. None of the above. And the correct option is option B. They know the local issues better than others. Question number 13. What does the discovery of toys like cards and animals tell us about Harappan life? Options are A. Harappan live in a cave. B. Children enjoy playing. C. Children did not play. D. None of the above. And the correct option is option D. None of the above. Question number 14. You buy vegetables directly from farmers. Which of the below action does this support? Options are A. Increasing manufacturing. B. Supports primary sectors. C. Using more services. And D. None of the above. And the correct option among these is option B. Support primary sectors. Question number 15. If you live in a mountain region and wanted to attract tourists, which new activity would you design? Options are A. Building factories. B. Creating eco-friendly trekking zone. C. Removing all homestays. D. None of the above. And the correct option is option B. Creating eco-friendly trekking zone. Question number 16. Which habit base shows responsibility towards ocean protecting? Options are A. Throwing plastic on beaches. B. Ignoring beach pollution. C. Throwing eatables on the beaches. D. None of the above. And the correct option among these is option D. None of the above. Question number 17. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? Options are A. Deccan Plateau, B. Tibetan Plateau, C. African Plateau, and D. None of the above. And the correct option is option B. Tibetan Plateau. Question number 18. You notice soil being washed away from a slope near your school. What would you suggest? Options are A. Planting grass, B. Leave it as it is, C. Remove more plants, and D. None of the above. And the correct option is none of the above. Question number 19. If a school plans a unity day, which ideas from the Vedas can they use to support the theme? Options are A. Fighting with neighbors, B. Worship only one river, C. May all people live in a harmony, D. None of the above. And the correct option is worship only one river, that is option B. Students, if you like the content of Excel Tuition Goa board, then kindly share it to your friends. Do like, share and subscribe and watch complete video. Don't skip the videos. Question number 20. You see waste thrown near a panchayat area. What action will you take? Options are A. Walk away, B. Add more waste, C. Will inform concerned authority to take action, and D. None of the above. And the correct option is option C. Will inform concerned authority to take actions. Now we'll solve the question answers. 2 marks each. 5 questions, so 10 marks. Answer the following questions. Question number 21. Create a new name for a continent and write what you would like to have in it. The new name of the continent is Innonate, means innovative and natural. It would be a perfect fusion of nature and innovation designed to ensure both human and the natural world thrive together. The key features are bioluminescent forest, vast ancient forests that glow naturally at night, reducing the need for the artificial street lighting. Second, floating biodomes for endangered species and clean energy generating landscape with interconnected sustainable transportation system. Question number 22nd. How can you say that the municipal corporation plays an important role in public health? Municipal corporation plays an important role in public health by providing critical localized services that prevent diseases and ensure community well-being. They maintain sanitation through garbage collection management, sewage system, ensure safe drinking water supply, operate public hospitals, clinics, and conduct vaccinations. Question number 23. Create 2 slogans to encourage people to keep their city clean. First, don't be mean, keep your city clean. Second, keep it green, keep it clean. Number 24. Imagine the roads in your mountain areas get blocked by landslide. What action would you take for safety? The safety actions that I would take are: first, move away fast. Do not enter the area. Stay away from slide areas. Third, do not drive or cross as this is extremely dangerous. Fourth, check for danger, broken gas lines, leaning poles or trees. Question number 25. What are the main teachings of Jainism regarding the soul and karma? Jainism teaches that the soul is eternal and pure and conscious, but bound in the cycle of rebirth by karma, which is considered a subtle physical matter. The goal is to shed this karmic pollution through non-violence, that is ahimsa, and three jewels, that are right, faith, knowledge, and conduct to attain moksha, means liberation, to attain liberation. Now we'll move to the large question answers, 3 marks each. 5 questions, 15 marks. Answer the following question. Question number 26. Suggest 3 ways how, as a student, you can help reduce ocean pollution. As a student, I can help reduce ocean pollution by adopting reduce and reuse mindset. First, refuse single-use plastic. Avoid straw, plastic bags, and disposable cutlery. Reusable alternative to the school. Second, recycle right. I will ensure whether the material are properly processed and not contaminating the waste stream. Third, organize cleanups. I will initiate or join school-led community cleanup events on beaches to prevent trash from entering ecosystem. Question number 27. If you were a sarpanch of the village, what 3 steps would you take to improve health, education and employment in the village? Key accountable steps. Health. Set up a 24/7 primary health center, ensure availability of basic medicines and organize regular health camps and sanitation awareness programs. Second, education. Improve school buildings, provide clean water and toilets, and set up a computer training center for skill development. Employment. Support women self-help groups, promote organic farming, and implement MGNREGA for local infrastructure projects. Question number 28. State 3 points to support the fact that Harappans gave more importance to water management and cleanliness. Sir, building extensive network of drains connected to houses. Second, constructing a large human trade reservoirs like Dolavira and wells. Third, this includes regular inspection traps and soak pits for solid waste removal, indicating a highly organized sanitation network. Question number 29. If you lived in a mountain region, which occupation would you choose to earn your livelihood and why? Answer. Living in a mountain area, I would choose to work as a tourism related professional, such as a trekking, ski guide, or eco lodge managers, because it leverages the region's natural beauty for high income potential. This career offers a sustainable, active lifestyle in a scenic environment, connecting with the tourist while promoting local culture. Mountain region attracts visitors for climbing, skiing, and trekking, creating a strong market for guides, instructors, and hospitality managers. Students, you can write your own answer also. Question number 30. How can you promote India's cultural heritage in your school? Suggest 3 ways. Establish a heritage club and activity corner. Appoint group of students to hold weekly meeting focused on local history, culture and traditions. Second, organize traditional art and craft workshops. Invite local artists to conduct workshop on traditional art forms like Madhubani, Bhil, painting, etc. Third, celebrate cultural diversity through events. Organize events celebrating India's diverse festivals, example Diwali, Pongal, Onam, along with music, dance, and traditional attires. Traditional music, traditional dance, and traditional attires also. Answer the following questions. This is large answer question. Question number 31. If you are planning to have a bazaar day in your school, make a list of 5 stalls with names and items to be sold on each stall. Here you can write your own answer. I am just giving you the idea how you have to write the answer. Students, if you like the content of Excel tuition, go about and kindly share with your friends. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. 5 stalls to have bazaar day are: first, stationery stall, pen, pencil, notebook, storybooks, etc. Second is vegetable stall, includes local vegetables like turnip, radish, etc. Third, frame painting. Hand painted photo frames can be sold on this stall. Fourth is DIY, do it yourself, that should be made by the students. And fifth one is fruit salad stall. This recipe is prepared by students. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe Excel Tuition Goa board for more such videos.